I am proud to introduce our new revised Platinum program, which includes a fully loaded 15-inch Lenovo laptop. The Lenovo laptop comes in a professional carrying case to protect it against damage. It is shipped to you charged up with a mouse and a power supply. You can either use the mouse or the trackpad. When you open the laptop, it fires right up and you put in the correct PIN number to bring my section in the computer alive. Your PIN number will be supplied with the computer. This is what you will see on the center of the screen, the 4 icons. The first icon, the mobile wizard, is covered fully on other videos, and it is also available on the tablet. However, the reality series is here on the laptop because it is so large that it cannot fit on the tablet, and I want to go over how that works. When you tap the mouse or the touchpad on the reality series icon, it will bring you into a list of courses that are included in the reality series. In this case, I chose the electric ovens as a demonstration and focused down on Electrolux bake element replacement as a sample. And here it comes. So here Reed is demonstrating a very easy, typical, straightforward bake element replacement on an Electrolux range.
Alright, so I've been recording all the difficult jobs, the ones that need attention and recording and instruction, but I don't want to forget the easy jobs too. And this one is as straightforward as it gets.
The clarity of the video is amazing, and there are hundreds of them on the laptop. Every common repair that you're going to see, and some real oddballs too. All of the videos have commentary by me explaining exactly what's going on and why. Let's jump over to dryers for a moment and pick the popular 27-inch Whirlpool dryer and take a look at the options there. And there you see the common repairs: belt and idler system, control board, thermal fuse. And let's pick the belt and idler video and take a look at that for a minute. Where the dryer is now apart and the drum is out, and it's time to replace the rear rollers and the belt. So the dryer looks pretty good, and now Reed is going to replace the tensioner pulley and the 2 rear rollers. He's snapping off the keeper's plastic triangles. Now you notice that one's pretty bad shape. See, they all kind of wear out at the same time. And look at the belt debris there where it's been wearing out because pulling that roller, which is not running freely. So he'll clean up all 3 of those shafts. As you can see, these videos show exquisite detail of all the hundreds of jobs that we've videotaped and edited. They are unique because they show dirty basements, broken parts, broken tools, mistakes, floods, shocks, nasty dogs, everything that actually happens on service calls. You're going to see live in front of you. It's exactly the same as being there.